students of class 1, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 1, numbers up to 50, part 7. So in the last part we saw about tens and ones. Now I hope you all are clear with tens and ones. So we will move forward. What are the 20s? 20s means numbers from 19 to 29. Now they have asked us write the number. Number means, as you know, that in the earlier part we have seen that when we write tens and ones, suppose this is tens and ones column. So if I say 20, 20 means 2 tens and 2 more means 2 ones. So the number becomes 22. So same way here we have to read that what are the numbers given. Here you can see blocks of 20, 10, 10. 2 blocks are there. So in each block there are 10. In each row there are 10 blocks. So if in one row there are 10, in the second row there are 10 blocks. So total is 20. 20 means 2 tens and 3 blocks are kept separately. So it is 3 ones means 3 are extra. So here 2 tens and 3 ones means number becomes, you can write here and then read. 2 tens means write 2 in tens column and 3 in ones column. So the number becomes 23. As you can see in the first example, they have already given how to write, but understand and write, it will be better for you. Now in the next you can see again 2 blocks are given of 10 10. So again it is 2 tens and 5 ones. So 2 tens and 5 ones means 25. Now next is 2 tens and 6 ones. So you will write 2 in tens column and 6 in ones column. So the number becomes 26. Again 2 tens and 8 ones. So 2 in tens column and 8 in ones column. So number becomes 28. All this I have already written for you, so that when you practice in your textbooks, so your answers already you have the answers and you can check from this video. Next is the 30s. 30s means number from 29 to 39. Now here there are 3 blocks of 10 10. As you can see, 3 blocks of 10 10. So it will be 3 tens, because one block means 1 tens, 2 blocks means 2 tens, and 3 blocks of 10 means 3 tens. Now how many are extra? So 4 are extra. So 3 tens, you will write 3 in tens column, 4 in ones column. So number becomes 34. Next is again 3 blocks of 10 10. So 3 tens, so 3 in tens column and 2 extra are there. So 2 in ones column. So number becomes 32. Same way 3 tens. So 3 in tens column and 8 in ones columns. So number becomes 38. Again 3 tens. So 3 in tens column and 5 ones. So 5 in ones column. So number becomes 35. On the next page, the 40s. 40s means numbers from 39 to 49. Again same we have to do. Now here there are blocks. Total 4 blocks are there of 10 10. So 1 tens means 10, 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, and 4 tens means 40. So in the tens column you will write 4 and 9 ones are given. So in ones column you will write 9. So the number becomes 49. Again 4 tens. So write 4 in tens column, 7 ones. So 7 in ones column. So number becomes 47. Again here 4 tens and 6 ones. So write 4 in tens column and 6 in ones column. So number becomes 46. Same way 4 tens and 4 ones. So 4 in tens column and 4 in ones column. So number becomes 44. Now see here what they have given. Complete the number grid. Now this is the revision, as you have already done this in pre-primary. So this is a revision for you. There are some numbers they have already given, and the other numbers you have to write and complete the grid. Now 1, 2, 3 it is already given. So after 3 what comes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 4, 45, 46, 47, 48 is given, 49 and 50. So like this you will complete the whole number grid and you will get numbers from 1 to 50. So here you completed the number grid. Now next comes number names up to 50. So from numbers from 1 to 20 you know very well. Now from 21 to 50 you need to learn the number names, means spellings, and the numbers. Numbers you already know. 21, after 21 comes 22, then 23. So as we say these numbers, same way we have to write their number names. So as you can see, it is already given 21. So we write 21 like this. Is it correct? Yes. Now next is 22. So here 22 number is given, number name is given. So write down 22. Same way 23 number name is given. So write down 23. So for this you should know how to read the number names. So like this you will complete till 30, from 21 to 30. Then comes 31 to 40. So same way you will do. 31 is given number name, write down 31 number. Then 32 is given, write down 32 number. 33 is given, write down 33 here. 34, same way write down 34. 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40. So here you completed till 40. Then after 40 comes 41. So 41 number name is given, you have to write down 41 in numbers. Then 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, and last is 50, because we have to write number names up to 50. So total 50 we have completed. So practice this at home, read the spellings, learn the spellings, and do the practice in your notebook also. Next is the challenge given here. Who am I? Now what it is asked, in my tens place I have the same number. Tens place means if I draw a frame here, see this is our tens and this is our ones. So in the tens I have same number as the number of eyes you have. So in the tens place number of eyes, how many eyes we have? 2. So in tens place the number is 2. In my ones place, so in ones place I have the same number as the number of your fingers in one hand. So in one hand how many fingers do you have? We have total 1 2 3 4 5 5 fingers. So here which is this number? I am the number becomes 25. This was very easy. If you read it again you will come to understand that what is given in this challenge. So here I complete this part. Hope you all understood what we learned today. Practice this at home. Thank you, students.